Cold coffee is the worst, and reheated coffee sucks. We got sick of microwaving our coffee around the office and scalding our mouths on boiling hot thermoses. There had to be a better way to keep our drinks warm, something that would last several hours and wouldn't cost an insane amount of money. So we did some searching. Turns out there wasn't. So we made one. Enter the Bolt, a fully portable, modular, heated mug that was designed to go in the dishwasher. We and a team of world-class designers and engineers had to figure out a way to improve upon the terrible performance of existing heated mugs, make it more affordable, and have it be completely dishwasher safe, because let's be honest, we're all incredibly lazy. After 4 years of development, it's finally done, and it's here. The Bolt was designed to give you the longest-lasting, most affordable, easiest drinking experience. The sheer amount of unexpected problems we had to solve to make something so elegantly simple would bore you to death, but let's nerd out in short form anyway. Problem number 1. This thing had to go in the dishwasher because there was zero chance we were going to hand wash something we use every day. The solution? Our patent-pending modular mug system houses all the tech in a small, lightweight, detachable base that leaves the mug itself completely inert. That's right. It's the only heated mug that is dishwasher safe. Plus, multiple interchangeable mug tops means you don't have to worry if you forgot to wash your other one. Just grab another mug top and go. Maybe one that matches your outfit. Problem number 2. Electronics that barely last an hour? Not good enough. Using temperature and liquid detection tech in the base and an inner liner of food-grade stainless steel that radiates and insulates, the Bolt allows you to control the temperature of your 10-ounce drink within your ideal range for over 4 hours. And don't worry, there's no app. Every appliance you buy these days seems to have an app you have to put on your phone. Why? You shouldn't need an app to drink your coffee. So we kept it simple. One-touch capacitive controls allow you to enjoy your drinks the moment you pour them. And problem number 3. No one needs to lug around another unique charger or coaster destined for a landfill. We engineered the heck out of this one so that Bolt can charge using any standard USB Type-C. When it's time to charge, the base separates from the top with a single click, leaving behind a sleek and lightweight mug that can be used like any other mug. But it's definitely more than every other mug. The Bolt all started with our simple wish to keep our drinks hot for as long as possible without breaking the bank. We're so thankful to everyone who's supported us, and we're so excited to be able to share the Bolt with you now, like right now. The Bolt is starting production immediately and is ready to go. That means delivery on every order is 100% guaranteed. You back it, you get it. You deserve to keep your coffee or tea at a perfect drinking temperature for as long as you want. And now you can. The Bolt, the world's first modular heated mug. Portable, affordable, and the only one designed to go in the dishwasher.